Hi guys, and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had positive and productive weeks this week. So this week I'll be sharing with you guys how I did a book makeover of Realm Breaker by Victoria Aveyard. Now this was actually a custom commission that I received back when the book came out, but it has taken a while for me to pull it all together because the customer also requested a reversible dust jacket and then hired an external artist to create the art she wanted on the back of the dust jacket. But the customer finally has it now, so I can share with you guys what I did. Obviously, as I'm filming this, I don't have the copy in my hands to be able to show you, but I do have my copy, which is currently unpainted, so you can see what I was working with before. So this is how the book came. As you can see, no pages, no stenciling on the pages of any kind, but thankfully they are nice and flat, and it's nice and thick, so I was able to get some detail in across the width there. And obviously this cover is beautiful. We've got the foil on it as well that just makes it shine. We've got a map on the inside pages, which is phenomenal, and then this rich red hardboard that I loved and I wouldn't change at all. So the colour scheme that I went with was very much red and gold, inspired by this sword on the cover, as you'll see. So reds and golds to really tie it all together. So in this technique, you will see me using inks. I used the Delicata Golden Glitz and I used the Cardinal number 25 of the Tukineko Versacolor range. I also used ink on the cover and I used Versacolor 91 Gold. Stencils are available on my Etsy shop, as is the ability to order this book from me, and I'll paint it all up and ship it out to you. But with no further ado, let's jump into the time lapse. Now, I really love the way that this piece came together. Obviously, I don't have the copy in order to show you guys because it was really important for me to get that out the door as the order came in so long ago, and I wanted the client to have it and to see it and to enjoy it, and she really does. She gave me some fantastic feedback, so I'm really thrilled about that. The sword design was very much inspired by the sword on the front cover. It has that gorgeous sun design in the handle, surrounded by decorative framing that I think really tied it together. If I was to do it again, I would probably do that same pattern on the front and back instead of just on the front. And that is what I'll be offering on Etsy online. So you will get that sword design on the front and on the back if you pay for it and order it. But yeah, I absolutely love the results. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Would you have tried different colors? Would you have tried different designs? What did you think of the sort of matte blood drip with the metal gold color? Because I really love how that came off. Now for a little update, my company, Kingdom Book Designs, has a new logo. It should be appearing on the screen somewhere about now. And I'm also on TikTok at Kingdom Book Designs, where I'll be posting a lot of book designy type content. So be sure to check me out there. As with on any of my other social media platforms, they should be arriving on the screen now. And don't forget to do all of the fantastic things of liking and subscribing and commenting, because the engagement really, really helps me to extend my audience and reach new people. Next week's video will be on Cinderella is Dead, and the week after that will be Finale. My friend Hannah asked me to paint up her copy of Finale. Yes, we are both called Hannah. Yes, it is confusing, but she asked me to paint up her copy of Finale, and I've come up with a design that I really, really love, so I think that she's going to love it as well. So that's going to be a complete and utter makeover for that. Anyway, that's all from me this week. I hope you guys have positive and productive weeks, and I'll see you next time. Bye!